Trending na ngayon ang isang light at nakakatawang moment mula sa megastar na si Sharon Cuneta matapos niyang biruin mismo ang Pangulo na si Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. tungkol sa eleksyon 2022. Naganap ang eksenang ito sa isang eleganteng event na ginanap sa Foro de Intramuros na pinamagatang An Evening with the Stars, a gala celebrating the stars who continue to light our way. Habang nasa stage si Sharon Cuneta at nasa audience naman ang Pangulo at ang First Lady na si Liza Araneta Marcos, bigla na lang siyang nagbitaw ng biro na agad nagpasabog ng tawanan sa buong venue. Ani Sharon, "Sir, I have only one Vice President. My date tonight. Mali your choice, no?" Agad itong sinalubong ng malakas na halakhakan ng audience dahil sa pagiging prangka pero playful ng megastar. Makikita sa video na game ang Pangulo sa biruan at ramdam ang gaan ng atmosphere sa loob ng event. Matapos ang biro, mabilis din itong tinapos ni Sharon sa pagsasabing, Okay, let's move on! Bago niya ipagpatuloy ang kanyang performance sa hiling mismo ng Pangulo at First Lady. Umani naman ito ng halo-halong reaksyon online, may mga natuwa sa natural wit at tapang ng megastar, habang ang iba naman ay humanga sa pagiging maayos at magaan ng interaksyon sa pagitan ng isang showbiz icon at ng Pangulo ng bansa.
You wouldn't help him, no? Thank you, sweetheart. Is it okay to say a few words before I start to sing? Mr. President, Madam First Lady, this is the first time I'm going to sing for you in many, many, many years. I just want to say, Mr. President, you have been elected by the people. You are the President. Happy to be here, sir. And sir, I have only one Vice President. My date tonight. Mali your choice, no? Sorry. Okay. Basta, Mr. President, you have my support. I will pray for you. I will pray for the country. I will pray that before we all judge you, that you are allowed to do your job. Sa pangalan na masarap, isang hingong sa langit at isang itim na class, may dalang kikislap, gabay pagtungo sa tamang landas. Unti-unti mararating kalangitan na ito'y unti-unting kinabukasan ko'y magalingin hawak ngayon. Kalangitan na ito'y unti-unting kinabukasan ko'y magalingin hawak ngayon. Tibay ng damdamin, bukas naman sa aking pag-ising, kapiling ko'y pangarap na bituin. Unti-unting mararating kalangitan at bituin. Unti-unting mararating
instead of bagnet. Okay. Balutin mo ako ng hiwaga ng iyong pagmamahal. Hayaan matapan kita natin magkatagal.
You have given voice to our struggles, form to our aspirations, and melody to our joys. In your work, we see not only talent, but purpose, and in your success, we see the triumph of people bound together by a shared experience. As someone who once dreamt of being a musician, though perhaps not quite as gifted not gifted enough to make a career of it, I stand before you with deep respect. I know that even from a distance, the discipline it takes to master a craft, the courage that it takes to present one's work to the world, and the faith that it takes to keep creating, even when applause is not forthcoming. So allow me, on behalf of a nation that is grateful, to say thank you. Thank you for sharing your gifts so generously with all of us. Thank you for reminding us who we are and what we can become. Thank you for proving that Filipino artistry can stand proudly on the world stage by embracing what is uniquely ours, what is uniquely Filipino. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope that this evening becomes a reaffirmation of our shared mission, that it inspire you to continue shaping minds and touching hearts. And may you continue encouraging our young people to pick up the brush, to write a script, compose the song, step onto the stage confident that all your stories truly matter. Now ay magsilbing paalala.
Ganda. Gaganda naman. Gaganda.